You need to be patient in this life, homie. What I'm saying is, of course, work hard. Show up early. Keep your head up even when things are trying to break you down, fam. But don't confuse patience with laziness. Patience is letting the flower grow instead of expecting it to bloom overnight. Remember, an overnight success takes years to build. Let's take it home. Let's say you go to the gym and train for 10 hours in one day. You think you'll walk out with the best body? Hell no. But let's say every single day for 3 months you hit the gym for 1 to 2 hours. How would your body look then? Or let's say you decide to put in work on your business. You grind one day for 10 hours and then stop. You think you'll see real results? But if you work 3 solid hours every day with no days off, you will see a result. What's worth it won't come easy, gang. That's why I want to encourage you, homie. Keep going. I know you hear this every day, but I'm still gonna keep telling you. I know sometimes things feel slow. Gang, I go through the same thing. Sometimes I wish my content could reach more people. Sometimes I wish I had more resources to make even doper content. But that don't mean it's never coming. Patience builds your life. Even with money, if you don't have patience, you waste it. I'm not speaking down on credit or debt because it can be leverage, but cash is power, king. I know sometimes we really want something right now, but what I'll say is save for it and live below your means. It don't mean you stay there forever. You stay down before you come up, not the other way around. It's like planting a tree. You water it every day, even when you can't see anything happening under the ground. One day you look up and it's taller than you. But if you dig it up every week to check the roots, you kill it. Or like building a house. You can't put the roof on before the foundation is solid. Most people try to live in the finished house while the concrete is still wet. If this hit home, gang, feel free to support my Patreon. It helps me make these videos stronger. There's also a membership where you get exclusive videos on how to save your first $10,000, how to have a Playboy mindset so no woman plays with you, and how to stay focused on your goals using discipline as fuel instead of motivation. Link is in the description. Much love, fam. If you have advice for people or anything you want to add, feel free to drop it. We all taking this life together. Much love, homies.
All right, team, let's stay focused. Progress is key.